few in. Baylor with the win against Texas. They would get in. Matt Rule trying to bounce back from last week. Tom Herman doing...
Ooh,
that.
whoa.
Bonus, what were you
Triple.
Yeah, that should be on what were you thinking?
That is, come on. First play, second quarter, near the red zone. John Lovett finds a hole, touchdown Baylor.
And Baylor suffered their first loss of the season against Oklahoma last week, up 25, didn't lose that game. How would this team bounce back? Ranked at number 14 now, still have a chance to make some noise.
It's a good point. 7-0 Baylor late in the third, 14-3. Charlie Brewer to Denzel Mims.
Mims has been so good down in the red zone. He's 6'3", has long arms, a career-high 125 yards receiving in this one.
Mims, this is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. Early fourth quarter, Sam Ehlinger deep. Picked off by Graylin Arnold.
How about the first time in Ehlinger's career he has not accounted for one touchdown in a game, and he's played the entire game. Offensively, this Texas team doesn't look the same as they looked early in the season.
Yeah, stunning what we've seen out of Ehlinger and the Longhorns. I know injuries have been a factor, but still, off the interception here, Brewer keeps a quarterback draw, takes a big hit.
Yeah, he led the team with 75 rushing yards, but we know when we watch him play, he doesn't like to slide, takes a huge hit to the head. He'd get knocked out of the game, would not return. Baylor would win, though, and clinch a spot in the Big 12 title.
So 24-10, and what a turnaround it's been for Matt Rule.
2 years ago, we lost 6 games at home, and to now come back 2 years later and to win 6 games at home, I think it means a great deal. To play a Texas team that 2 years ago we couldn't do very much against, and to beat them, and it wasn't always pretty. That's what made it fun, though. It was just a grind-it, tough, hard-nosed win.
Who had this, by the way? Stunning graphic. Matt Rule and Tom Herman both in their third season. Both improved their win total from 1 to 2, but it's Rule. Matt Rule, after what everything Baylor's gone through, is playing in the Big 12 championship game. Texas is going the other way. Remember, Baylor, 5th team, first in the Power 5 conference to win 10 games within 2 years of losing 11. Not sure many people had that development.